Hello everyone. I want to mention that today we will discuss about this cool little gadget. It's a SunLu Filament Connector FC01. But before starting this unboxing and my thoughts using this device for the first time, I want to get out something very important. That this device was sent to me free of charge. I didn't pay anything. They didn't pay for this video, and they didn't even ask to make a video about this product. I wanted to make this little video because I think it's cool to show you what are my thoughts using for the first time this video. So without this out of the way, let's start unboxing. As you know, my name is Nadir and here we are at CN3D and I want to show you a cool little device that I have received. I just opened from the package, but it's still sealed. And now we'll open it together to see what we have here. And we have a manual. I know what it is. Maybe you also know. It calls the filament connector from SunLu. Focus. And it's a little cool device that helps you connect multiple filaments because sometimes you don't want. So we have a limited supply of connectors. It's a bag with some, they look like small PTFE tubes. Hope that we have a little bit of battery because it charges over USB. And here is our little device. I noticed that you always receive, if you ever bought SunLu filament. Let's focus. This. So if you ever bought SunLu filament, you know that this is part of the package. Let's peel it off. Interesting device. I didn't watch any videos to see how it's supposed to use it. I don't see any button, so I assume that we have to be connected. Let's read the manual. It's good that it's in English. So we have to connect it over USB. Let's see. This should work. It's good that we have this USB plug so we can connect. It was a third camera, and we have power. So it's a touch screen. So I don't know if the camera can pick this up. And here we have a menu. Here we can set the temperature. Here we set if you want PLA, ABS, pad G, PA. So we'll stick with PLA, and the temperature and the actual, and it's heating up. I don't want to waste these connectors, but from what I understood, you have to cut the filament at 45 degrees and then to connect them. So for PLA, for 3 minutes, heating time is 3 minutes, and recommended fusion time 7 to 8 seconds. This reminds me of when I was having internet service provider company that with equipment like this, we was connecting the fiber optics strands. So it's heating up. Now it's at 129 and we set it for 186 for PLA. I don't feel the heat. Let's prepare some filament. Just for the purpose of this video, to see how easy is to work with. It's my first time using it. Hope that this video, it will not be that long of a video. So in the manual they say that you have to split it. This is not, oh, this is, we have to replace this, but thankfully I have plenty. Good cut. So this is very tight. Very, very tight. I like it. It's good that being that tight, it will help us align at 45 degrees how we cut the strain of filament. We have two different colors, so it will be more easy for us to see. And you have to see here that is aligned. We at our, let's see if we can focus, 180 degrees already, 6 more degrees, and it should let me see if I have to press any button. So I'm putting the filament in, closing that. So it's supposed to be very easy. Waiting a little bit more for so it arrived at temperature. It's hot. Don't put your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it starts beeping after 7 seconds. And nothing. So when it starts beeping, now I understood. We have to, let me do it again for only a couple of seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to press it against it. So I'm pressing this side and from this side. And now if we slide this, I should let it cool first. So I will keep this here to let it cool first. So first attempt a success without reading all the procedure. Now that is cooled, I can remove this. And look at this, guys. It's a very, very clean weld. Let me take a caliper and measure. But from what I see, I can tell that it will be extruded with no issues. But I don't know where is my caliper. So my caliper is missing. Let me remind myself what project I was. Here it is. I found it. So the green one, it's 171. 171. Let's see the white one, 175, 74, 175. Let's see here, 177. And here, 176. 168. 182. 179. So I think that yes, it's a little bit after the weld here somewhere. It's a small bump. Maybe I pushed too much, but very easy. And the nice part is that we can recover this. I was thinking that after using this, you have to buy more, but no, you can repurpose them. Hope so. I will put it here. we'll see later. So very cool little device. Let me get it out. So definitely it needs to be plugged before using it, and it's in standby mode. If you press it, so now it's again in standby mode. Very nice, cool little device, because now I have too many PETG rolls from when I built the F150. I have that they are between 70 and 80 grams of leftover filaments, and now I can fuse them together. Also, this little device, it can help you to make multiple colors and to make a random print. I will leave it to cool down. Hope you like it. If you want to purchase this, there will be links in the descriptions. This is my first, I don't want to call it review, because this is not a review. It was my honest opinion, unboxing it and seeing it and using it for the first time. And maybe after using it more than once, we can make a proper review. But I want to mention something, that this device was sent free of charge. I didn't pay for nothing. They didn't pay me. Even they didn't tell me that I have to make a video about it or not. But I wanted to make a cool little video unboxing and showing you my experience first-handed. I call it a success. I don't know if you ever tried merging two filaments ends together. I never succeeded with a lot of different jigs, but with this cool little device, nailed it, and I'm very happy. So there will be links in the descriptions. Hit the like if you like this type of content, and if you are not already subscribed, subscribe, because we have more awesome products that we have received during the period that, if you know what period it was about. So I was away for 3 months, and now I'm back, and we have a lot of packages waiting for us to open them. So thank you for being here. See you in the next time.